Let's take a look at another multiplication. Now this is in the rational expression section, but really doesn't fit those. To refresh your memory on multiplying rational expressions, we factor everything, cancel if possible. Only guideline is that they're the same. One is on top, one is on bottom. Third step, put tops together, bottoms together. This does not fit at all, and we'll talk about how to work this one. The only reason I even show you those steps is because this is, like I say, coming out of the rational expression section. So we got d to the fourth over EF times 4e to the third F and 5d to the third. Now to actually do this one, it follows one simple principle. If you got, now I'm going to pick on d's, but it can be any variable. If you got d to a power over d to a power, and they don't have to be in the same fraction. Notice here, I got d to the fourth and d to the third. One's on top, one's on the bottom. What you do is you subtract the smaller exponent from the larger one. So in this case, we got 4 minus 3 gives us 1. And we'll have d to the first, this power right here, where the larger exponent was, which was up on top here. So I got d to the first there. And the d to the third disappears down there, and you got just 5. Okay. Here we got e to the third, and here we got e. Now e is like e to the first. So again, we got e to a power over e to a power. Subtract the smaller exponent from the larger one. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. And we're going to have e to this power where the larger exponent was, which was on top. So this would be 4e squared over f, and then 5. Okay. Now here we have f to the first, and here's f to the first. Those actually just cancel each other out since they're exactly the same. We don't need to worry about those. So we're going to have d to the first over 1 times 4e squared over 5. Now when everything disappears in your fraction, you can always put there's always a placeholder over 1 that goes there. Okay, so there's nothing else I can cancel. D to the first is the same as d, so I'm going to drop that first power. So I take d times 4e squared, and since they're different variables, it's very easy. You just put them next to each other in alphabetical order. So that'd be 4de squared, and 1 times 5 gives us 5. So let's see which one that matches. 4de squared over 5 looks like A. So 32A. 32A, and that checks.